Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the exciting world of YouTube monetization in 2024. Whether you're looking to turn your hobby into a career or boost your existing channel's revenue, we've got you covered. Stick around to learn everything you need to know about earning money on YouTube this year. Before we dive into the strategies, let's first understand what YouTube monetization is. In simple terms, monetization is the process of earning revenue from your YouTube content. There are several ways to monetize your channel, including ad revenue, channel memberships, super chats, and merchandise sales. Each of these methods offers unique opportunities for creators to earn money. Let's take a closer look at how they work. Number 1. Ad revenue is one of the most common ways to make money on YouTube. By enabling ads on your videos, you can earn money every time a viewer watches or clicks on an ad. To qualify for ad revenue, you need to be a part of the YouTube Partner Program, which requires at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you're in the program, you can start monetizing your content. Keep in mind that the amount you earn from ads can vary based on factors like the type of ads, your audience's location, and your channel's niche. Number 2. Channel memberships are a great way to build a loyal community while earning a steady income. Members pay a monthly fee to access exclusive perks like badges, emojis, and members-only content. This feature is available to channels with over 30,000 subscribers. Engaging with your members and offering valuable perks can help you maintain and grow your membership base. Number 3. Super chats allow your viewers to pay to have their messages highlighted during live chats. This feature is popular during live streams and premieres, providing an interactive way for fans to support their favorite creators. The more engaging and interactive your live streams are, the more likely viewers will use super chats to stand out. Number 4. Merchandise sales can be a significant revenue stream, especially if you have a strong brand. You can sell branded merchandise directly through YouTube using the Merch Shelf feature. This option is available to channels with over 10,000 subscribers. From t-shirts to mugs, offering unique and high-quality merchandise can enhance your brand and provide your fans with tangible ways to support you. To maximize your earnings on YouTube, it's essential to diversify your income streams. Don't rely solely on ad revenue. Explore other monetization methods to increase your overall income. Additionally, focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience, as this will help you grow your channel and attract more viewers. Regularly engage with your audience through comments, community posts, and live streams. Building a strong relationship with your viewers can lead to higher engagement and more revenue opportunities. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this guide on how to earn money from YouTube in 2024 helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and any questions you have. We'll see you in the next video.